We've all been there, sitting in the quiet, feeling stuck. The weight of dreams that feel too far, too heavy. Doubt whispers, maybe you're not enough. And for a moment, you believe it. But here's the truth no one tells you. Every success story you admire was once a chapter of pure failure. Every champion has tasted defeat. Every strong soul has been broken, and then chose to rise. Because resilience isn't born, it's built. In the moments you want to quit, but don't. In the days when no one's clapping, but you keep going anyway. It's forged in silence, in sweat, in setbacks, and in your refusal to give up. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You need this, the moment where you decide, I'm done waiting. Because your life, it's not waiting for someday. It's happening right now. So get up, mess up, fall down, but for God's sake, get back up. You are more capable than you believe, stronger than you know, and closer than you think. This is your shot. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now. So what are you waiting for? Go, building fight, live, because no one else is coming to do it for you.
Ever wondered how some YouTube channels go viral almost overnight? Millions of views, simple videos, and you're thinking, I wish I could do that. Well, here's the truth. You can, and the best part? It takes less than an hour to create these videos. These are a few YouTube channels making this type of content, racking up millions of views. And the best part? You don't need to show your face. Now, before you say, but I don't know how to animate, relax. You don't need any animation skills. That's exactly why I'm here. Plus, I'll drop a Google Doc with all the prompts I used in this video. Stick around till the end, and you'll have everything you need to kickstart your YouTube journey, and maybe even start making money from it. This is a 4-step process. And trust me, Step 3 is a total game changer. Most creators aren't even talking about it. Let's dive. Step 1. Write a script. First, let's create the script for your YouTube video. You can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek, whichever you're more comfortable with. I'm using ChatGPT, and here's the prompt. Don't worry, click the link below and use the prompt from the doc. Just tweak it for your story. Step 2. Create the voiceover. Now that the story is ready, let's generate the voiceover. You can use AI tools like White11 Labs, or record your own. I personally like using an AI voice called Brian for motivational videos like this. Select the voice you like, paste your story, click Jaw Generate, and boom, your voiceover is ready. Step 3. Set up your Canva project. Open Canva and create a new video project. Select the 16:9 format for YouTube. For the background, search Background in Canva's elements. Pick something subtle, nothing too flashy, and set it as the background. Pro tip: reduce transparency to make it softer. Upload your voiceover and drag it onto the timeline. Make sure the first page's duration is longer than the voiceover. Now, play the audio and split the scenes based on the narration. Press S on your keyboard when you want to split.
Sitting in the quiet.
First line. We've all been there. Split here. Next line. Sitting in the quiet.
Feeling stuck.
Split again. Next line. Feeling stuck. Split again. Split the entire timeline so you can match visuals with the voiceover.
Maybe you're not enough. And for a moment, you believe it. But here's the truth no one tells you.
Add stick figure animations. Now comes the fun part. Stick figures? Go to Elements, None, and search. Stick figure. Find one you like, click the 3 dots, and select View More by Designer Name. From here, you will get figures from the artist, and this is how you will make consistent figures throughout the videos. Trust me, It makes your final video look way more polished. Or you can directly search any artist by using their name like this. I'll drop the artist codes in the doc. For the first scene, search sad, pick the furger that is suitable for your script. For the next, search sitting for the part about sitting quiet. Don't overthink it. These images only appear for a few seconds, so pick what feels right and keep going. To add text, press T for a text box. Choose a handwritten style for a personal touch. Pro tip: add a typing animation for extra flair. Polish your animation. Here's where we fine-tune everything. The appearance of elements to match the voiceover. Use element timing. In Canva to adjust when each item shows up. Final step, background music. Before exporting, watch the whole video once. Tighten up any awkward timings. Keep it simple. Clean videos perform best. Now, let's add background music. To avoid copyright issues, use an AI tool like suno.com. Visit the site and log in. You'll get free credits. Since our video is motivational, let's create calm, ambient, motivational music. Generate, download, and import it into Canva. Adjust the background music volume to 15 to 20, so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Export your final video in MP4 format. Making a stick figure animation in Canva isn't rocket science. With a clean voiceover, simple animations, and a bit of creativity, you can grab attention and maybe even go viral. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Now, go out there, create your first stick figure animation, make videos, and make money. Until next time, keep creating.